Hey, good morning. It's going to demonstrate here how I have to wash the panels every week after we mow the lawn. Enjoy. Get out the hose. After you weed whack it, a lot of mud. Now if I could just get my dogs to stop walking on them, that'd be good. Yeah, so I got one of these spray nozzles. Obviously the dog's got it. It's a few years old. But, we can use different settings if it helps. See, not quite enough pressure with that one. There you go. Just get the mud off, nice and clean. A lot of mud everywhere. This is the problem with low profile ground mount. Weed barrier doesn't work. If you put weed barrier underneath it, it looks awful because all this crap from the lawn clippings and bird droppings and everything else just accumulates on top of the weed barrier. The weed barrier doesn't look clean. It looks dirty all the time. It looks horrible. And I would like to get a ground cover that would work well in here. Doesn't grow tall, but what I planted didn't take, and grass just creeps in. So we got grass and other weeds growing in here, so we weed whack it every couple of weeks. And then I do this. Come out here first thing in the morning and wash my panels. It's a nice relaxing morning. The sun's shining. Living in North Carolina, most of the time so far the rain is taking care of it for me, but right now we're finally getting the fall weather. It's very nice. The weather's beautiful. It's ideal. Sunny and cool and not a thunderstorm in sight. All right. Y'all have a great day. Take care.